What's up guys, Dino is here, how are you? Yes, I came. I'm here. San Francisco guys. I flew from Chicago to San Francisco. Somewhere up there in those houses I'm sleeping. I didn't sleep for whole night. I had like 3 hours sleep. And I'm really tired, but that doesn't make it I'm not gonna check out the Golden Gate, you know, the symbol of the San Francisco. So I am about to go there. So don't judge me if I don't feel or I don't look so good like I used to it, but I'm gonna try to do today a little video of an awesome symbol of San Francisco. What happened, bus just drove away before I got to the goddamn bus station. And yes, this is a bus station, but this down there is a shit. It's a dog shit. And I'm waiting here at the bus station like a shit. I believe the bus is not gonna be here for like 20 or 30 minutes. So I'm gonna be here and I'm gonna freeze my death because it's a San Francisco, it's cold, it's windy, look at me. I'm in a jogging suit and I'm waiting like it is a no-go like we say. God even doesn't know where am I. But we don't worry guys, I'm gonna get there. So I've been driving for 1 hour and I believe I'm gonna need 1 hour more. As you can see, San Francisco is foggy and it's cold like it's, I don't know, fall. I always thought the San Francisco is more hot, but believe not. So I'm still here. So guys, the first look at it. Finally I stepped down the bus. Here I am guys. Here I am. This is one of the biggest symbols of San Francisco. Proudly represent Golden Gate. So this is it guys. This is the bridge which connects, you know, one to other side. It looks awesome, especially when there's a fog. And this is a cable. You see how big cable is? It's combined with so many small cables into one whole piece. Golden Gate Bridge. Down 2 kilometers. Oh my god. And it's cold. It's windy, like they say it would be. I want to get closer to see it. I believe this is the view. Maybe we can go from the other side. Oh shit. And on the other side, if you can see the island, that's Alcatraz. I believe it's Alcatraz. Yeah, it is. So I'm gonna go tomorrow or 2 days from now to see, you know, where the inmates were struggling, you know. So it's so cold and windy, you can't believe it. I'm gonna go to the bridge or under the bridge so all we can see this marvelous wonder of the world. So let's go. We got some steps slowly showing the view of the magnificent bridge. You know, I've seen it on pictures, but it doesn't even look close to the real thing. You know, when you see this thing in the real life, then you see how big this thing is. Oh my god, it's enormous, it's huge. So I needed 2 hours to get here from my apartment, but I'm not sorry, because this magnificent view is awesome. This is top shit. See, people are just enjoying the view.
Let's go. Fashion.
People are taking pictures everywhere. As you can see, people are everywhere. It's awesome. I love it. I should go walk over it. What do you think, guys? We're gonna check it out. Maybe next time. I took some pictures of it. You're gonna see it on Facebook, and it's magnificent. It's so awesome. You know how huge is this? San Francisco. Here I come. Why did I even go to San Francisco? I remember 12 years ago when that song came out. You're going to San Francisco. You should wear some flowers in your hair if you're going to San Francisco. And that was like 12 years ago, and I was like, if I'm ever gonna have chance to go to check out San Francisco, I will. And my wish came true. Awesome. On the left side, behind, you got flag. So I'm the West Coast, I was never so far away. I'm gonna try to go up and we're gonna see what's gonna happen there. So I'm gonna check out something. I see there's a model of the actual bridge. As you can see it here. Can you see it? Yeah, you can see it. This is a model of it. You can actually see the bridge, how it's made. So how the bridge is even made. And you shake left, right, like an earthquake. It just shows how the bridge lives. Let's go. I gotta go there. That's where I'm gonna go. We're gonna go for a walk. We're gonna check it out. How it's gonna go. Let's go check out how it's gonna be. How does it feel to be on the bridge? I'm gonna try to cross it. So we're gonna see and feel like those birds are feeling. There's so many people here. And it looks awesome. Alcatraz on that side. Woo! You're going to San Francisco. It's so busy, man. Cars are everywhere. See? Traffic is big. Still walking, still didn't pass the bridge. It's a long 2 kilometers, so it's gonna take a little bit. But check out this. How freaking cool is this, guys? You can see there's a warning. Any person who willfully drops or throws any object or missile from any tall bridge is guilty of misdemeanor. I can't say that shit. So, no shitting from the bridge. No trespassing. You go to jail if you trespass. This is awesome. Look at the cables. So windy. It's cold, like it's crazy. And it's so high, it's enormous. And it started to rust. This bridge is gonna collapse. Check out the beautiful view on the right side. Alcatraz. That's the the jail. That's the maximum zoom. And San Francisco on the right side. Check it out. So huge. Everything in America is huge. America. It's amazing. And this is like 100 years old or how much, I forgot. We're gonna read, we're gonna check it out. It's all like, it's all so much. The Golden Gate Bridge. Oh. Officers. Construction began in 1933, completed in 1937. Built by the Golden Gate Bridge. I don't know, man. We got some soldiers here, officers, directors, engineers, contacts. All those people who built this. So it was built in year 33. Oh! So huge. Oh my god, so windy. My phone is gonna fall down. So I'm gonna go cross it whole bridge just to have a memory, you know, so I can say I crossed the bridge. I tried to cheat on it to go on the half and back, but no, that's not good, you know. I don't wanna lie that I didn't cross it because this is like once in a lifetime. So seeing this bridge for me is a huge deal because it's gonna represent something in my life, something that I achieved, even if it's just a journey and a trip. But for me it's something big because, like I said before, I always wanted to see San Francisco Bridge, to see the city. I went with a bus so I can feel the city, you know, heartbeat of city, not only the tourist points, you know, and I believe that's the only way you can truly see how people live here, how city lives, and I just recommend you to do, so you do that. Oh my English so bad. I recommend you that all you guys who want to visit like big cities, go with the bus, feel the city, and then you're gonna say and feel and know if you like it. Hello, cat! Holy shit! This is huge! It's not a tanker, I believe, I don't know, but it's a big ship. It goes so slowly you can feel the mass, the power, you know. It goes to Alcatraz to take inmates in. And the little guy who's like pulling him. Who's pulling who? The big one is pulling the little one. Usually the little ones pull the big one. No, they're showing them the way, you know. Yeah, those are the tankers. And of course, San Francisco. So yeah, I'm still walking. I got some distance to do. I believe I'm like in the middle. We're gonna see. The traffic is crazy. They don't show that on the TV, traffic, you know, and on the books. Yes, it's awesome. Awesome. Okay, guys. I just had a speech with a cop. There's a cop on a bicycle cruising on the bridge, and of course he stopped me. Look at me. He's like, where are you from? What you doing here? I'm like, I'm from Slovenia. He's like, I know where's Slovenia, and we had a small talk, and I started speaking, stories. So he kind of like, said, okay, I gotta go. But it's nice to have cops here because you never know what can happen. And I knew he's gonna stop me. So you see these cables, they're down. That means I'm on the half of the road, half of the distance till the end. So I just gotta hurry up because this is long. In the middle of the bridge there's a phone, push for help. As you can know, there's so many poor souls, and crisis counseling, make the call or text. The consequences of jumping from this bridge are fatal and tragic. There is hope. Somebody wants to jump down there? There's no point of the return. Oh, sorry, I just came back. I did the whole, trip over the bridge. I did a live video too on the Facebook. So now you can see it. The sun is down. The beautiful bridge, you can see it. It's there. I'm about to leave because it's it's getting dark. Sun is going down, and I'm sending the sun to Europe. So thank you very much for watching this clip. Add me on Snapchat, Dinotti, double T. Come on my Twitch. And what can I say? It was a beautiful day. This was a part 1. Tomorrow I'm getting to the city, guys, downtown. So have a nice day, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and whatever. Bye.